The Department of Tourism announced that Western Visayas has recorded over 70 billion pesos from 5.36 million tourists in 2023. Dom Guerra tells us more.
Western Visayas has recorded over 70 billion from 5.36 tourists last year, according to the Department of Tourism. The region's tourism sector saw a growth of 22.9% from 2022, with the majority of visitors being local tourists who contributed to sustaining the tourism industry in the area. Aklan, particularly Boracay Island, emerged as the largest contributor to Western Visayas tourism, recording 44.43 billion out of total 70 billion revenue. Following closely is Iloilo City with 8.29 billion from 886,283 visitors, while Bacolod City generated 7.1 billion from 780,916 tourists. The Department of Tourism anticipates an increase in tourist numbers this year, projecting around 5.6 million visitors, aim at strengthening infrastructure and fostering public or private partnerships for a more resilient tourism industry. This is Dom Guerra for EuroTV News.